Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c : and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c : /bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.